Honestly, I'm a little bit under the weather. I don't know if you can hear my voice, but I've been having a really sore throat for the last 2 days. But welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Today's video, we're going to be doing something interesting. I got this video idea from Alia J. I saw her video where she did this, and she has dry skin. Also intrigued and fascinated by the video, I decided to order the Microscope thing. I ordered it from Amazon, and thank God it came just in time, because I honestly did not have anything filmed for today. If you have me on Snapchat, you know I literally just posted that like 10 minutes ago, and I'm here filming this. But yeah, so we're going to be doing that. I have oily combination skin, if you don't already know, so I'm going to be seeing what my oily skin looks like underneath a microscope. This is actually what it looks like, so you guys can see. I have a little beauty spot right here. You can see that. My face is actually mad hairy. What is that? Ew, what is that? It's huge. Oh my god, I think these are like blackheads or something. That's crazy. Look at this long piece of hair right here. It's so long, wow. This looks like some kind of injury. Where is it? Here. It's like broken skin, you know? Oh my days. I swear this is from like when I'm exfoliating my face, because I go in. And like obviously I know it's not good for you, because you can actually like make your face age a lot faster. But I just feel like if I'm not scrubbing hard. Oh, what are these? These are so long. Okay, but then this is approaching kind of like my sideburns, so I can understand why they are so long over there. Ew, is that a pimple? That's a pimple. Ew, that's disgusting. This is so exciting. I don't even know why. I always wanted to know if I had a mustache, so let's see. A little bit. Look at this long hair. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yeah, I definitely have a mustache, but I'm not going to wax it, because you know what? Everybody that I know that has waxed their mustache, everything grows back like thicker and thicker. Can you guys hear the sirens? It keeps going back thicker, and it just looks like darker. I'm just like, you know what? I don't think it's that obvious though. Let's check under here, because this is where I get like I'm super hairy down here, like a small man. It's crazy. But I'm already expecting the worst, because I have not even waxed in a while. Ew, look at this. Ew. These are like ingrown hairs. Oh my god. Guys, do you see how thick this hair is? Please look at this. It looks like a snake. Have you guys seen this? Do you see that ingrown hair right there? Right there. Like how it's like completely under the skin. Oh, this is just disgusting. Oh my god. See this really dark mark I have right here? I got this from a pimple that came on my face when I had my period. and like it was so huge. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know where it is. Is it this? Oh no. What is that? I'm gonna pass out. What is that? All my like beauty spots or like moles or whatever, like the moles on my face look so scary. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and like wash my face and do my skincare routine, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've just washed my face. Okay, I'm gonna use my AHA exfoliator. I'm gonna take some of this. This is by the brand called Guroi. I don't really know how to say the name, but I think it's a Japanese brand. And it's just like an essence I've been using. Then I use some serum. This is the anti-aging serum from Urban Juve, which looks like this. The Origin Ginseng Moisturizer, and I mix it with High Expectations cannabis oil, which looks like this, and it just really hydrates my skin. Alright, so that's my winter skincare routine. Very hydrating because my skin gets really dry in the winter, and like it has this like tight feeling. I hate it so much, so I just make sure I pack on as much oils and moisturizer on my skin. And yeah, so let's see what this looks like under the microscope. I mean, I don't think there should be like a difference or anything, but let's see. I mean, as you can see, my skin is just like a lot more shinier. All that oil. Let's see what the pores look like. I didn't look at the pores. Oh. So under my eyes, like it doesn't really have a lot going on there. Just a lot of oil as expected, because there's quite a lot of moisture and all that going on my skin. But yeah, you guys, I hope you found the video bit interesting. I don't know, I just found this so fascinating when I watched Alia J's video, and I was just like, oh, I want to try that. So here we are. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, Vlogmas Day 20, guys. So there's 5 more days. I can finally rest. I feel like I haven't slept properly in a while. Like for the whole month of December. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.